What's up guys, your boy JD here with a new video. So I was trying to figure out what direction I wanted to take the YouTube channel, since we do shorts on here, and I want to cover a game that I'm loving in this new world. Give you guys some foresight for the future. It's gonna be basic tips for casual players and people that have day jobs that they can't afford to play for 12 hours a day. So before we get into this, don't forget, if you guys like the video and subscribe for more, because we will be covering tip videos on a weekly basis on New World. Alright, so there's a bunch of videos out there talking about how to get gold fast and the best way to get gold. And yes, they are great videos, very great videos. But for a beginner trying to earn some gold just on a smaller scale, you should probably check out this right here. Now, if you go to the market, and we're going to use this as an example, and say you wanted to buy something in, I don't know, let's just go Restless Shore, right? So we're going to go to Restless Shore. Let's do steel arrows. So steel arrows, excuse that. Steel arrows, right? Here is 6 gold, which is high as hell. And this is just an example. But say you're here and you're like, okay, I need to buy arrows, or you want to sell arrows, right? Whatever the case you want to do. Instead of, obviously you're selling for six gold, so you're doing pretty well here for some reason. But you're trying to get more arrows to sell. A good strategy to do is actually use the show orders, right? And let's just go to where I'm at, Windsward, and you see that arrows are only 0.17. So you can literally just buy up all the arrows here and go back to Restless Shore and sell them for this price, because you've been selling them obviously, and make a ton of gold. And I mean a ton of gold. It's a very easy small tip, but if you use it the right way, you can make gold very easily. So pretty much if you use this tip, you can make a lot of gold. I mean, all you're doing is basically buying for less and selling for high, if you can, in that particular place. Obviously, the more popular places people are going to be at, but that's not always the case for every single item either. Alright guys, your boy JD here with a quick tip video. If you like, don't forget to like and hit the sub button if you want to view future videos like this. Catch you guys in the next one.